Nice, we got the magical number 50 on this channel and we are celebrating it with a green light switching to red. So let's go! Oh well, it was fully red when he crossed the line. Lucky bastard that no cops were there. Ah, the joy of cutting corners. In this clip, over there is a red Audi, and we will meet him soon again.
Ja, der muss ich auch noch da reinquetschen. Das ist auch... Da kommt der nächste. Du hast ja wohl nicht alle!
Oh yeah, what a driving. The Audi driver must have been able to see that there is not much space, but hell, safety distance is for beginners and road safety only for those who can't afford a hospital bill. But if you thought that was a lunatic overtaking, we got to raise the bar a lot. Here we are driving on a normal road out of town, and remember, trucks are only allowed to go a speed of 60 kph, buses can go 80 kph. So what does a responsible trucker do? Get the hell past this goddamn bus. And because seeing anything of the road is irrelevant, a car following him closely. As you can see, oncoming traffic had to nearly come to a stop because two of the stupidest human beings somehow made it through the tests of the license. That is how deadly accidents happen, and if I had anything to say in it, the car driver would lose his license for at least 3 months and the truck driver would not get it back at all. The level of ignorance and selfishness here is astonishing. Here we are on a relaxed drive on the Autobahn when something unexpected happens. You don't see that every day. What a coincidence that it already was a road maintenance vehicle with yellow warning lights on the roof. You can see the whole tread of the tire going flying. Modern tires are pretty stable even when running already flat, and this car did pass us with a flat tire. However, when you keep driving with a flat tire, it keeps getting squished back and forth many times every second, which generates rising heat within the rubber. So through the motion, the tire basically burns itself, turns unstable, and eventually rips apart. Helpful advice for you, if this may happen to you at any point, when you recognize something going wrong, don't brake if you have no obstacles in front of you. Keep a tight grip to the wheel, stay in gear and let it slowly decelerate by itself, because braking would generate a lot of instability because your grip on both sides is dramatically different. This clip here shows nicely how every time the driver tries to brake, the car starts wobbling. I'm not sure how this is handled in other countries, but in Germany, when dangerous obstacles like tire pieces are on the freeway, then cops move out and remove the stuff. In this case, it's a ratchet strap that some truck lost. Don't you hate it when your car suddenly feels like a truck and you can't properly go around corners anymore? Here we got a bit of WTF content on the freeway. You see those red-white barriers on the right side. Those are blocked off roadwork areas. And some people seem to have a hard time dealing with those. This BMW here now takes the exit lane, but got a case of severe spontaneousness. Okay, bad enough. Now take a look ahead where some cars already driving in the roadwork zone past the barriers. Gotten lost a little and...
Ihr seid so... Ey, das ist doch nicht normal. Wie kann man denn so bescheuert sein?
Why is Trucking Ben pissed? Because in Germany, trucks are forced to have a radar system, which automatically brakes when it recognizes obstacles. The stupid BMW triggered his brakes 2 times, and it annoys the living shit out of truckers.
Oh, Alter, ey.
2 days later, same spot on the freeway, and some other dummies seem to have been running over some barriers.
Alter Schwede, ey. Einen Tag ist jetzt
But exiting fails are certainly not a German issue. Here we have a glimpse into Georgia in the United States, and his incompetence behind the wheel got punished with the pothole of doom. Rest in peace, expensive suspension. Let's get back to Germany and to German issues. Stupid cyclists in the dark without light. Every driver loves those. Also, cyclists love dark clothing. Almost seems like they intentionally do not want to get recognized by anybody. On a bike, it's already bad, but with a car, it's several levels of ridiculousness higher. Have you seen the moving dot here? This is a car at night on a big freeway without a single light running. I am kinda fascinated how brain-dead you gotta be to just keep pushing through the black void. The only resemblance of something over there is the indicator flashing. Ah, good. Cars with lights, but also windy winter time. Best circumstances for a close passing. But we can step it up, both with the weather and the stupidity in someone's driving. This driving is absolute trash, and transition, we got a trash can on the road. So Flo is a good guy and gets it off there. Watch those lights and the Mercedes on the left turn lane. Some ridiculous move about to be observed. Ah yeah, the complicated roundabouts, but when something is complicated, you just gotta make it simpler. The driver in this clip might have liked to keep things simpler, but he seems to be kinda lost and makes things as complicated and as wrong as possible. Always great when people don't know how to drive and additionally don't know where to go. Keeps traffic adventurous. I shouldn't be surprised that many people are impatient and be willing to break all traffic rules just to save a few seconds. Like this gem of a human being, racing over the red light and along a separated lane for oncoming traffic. Where is that convenient squad car when you need it? If this guy only approached seconds earlier, what would that ignorant driver have done? First cutting others off, then checking the shoulder. The boss is on the road. Here we are following another car on the freeway with very respectable distance, and as it moves out of the way and our man intending to accelerate, we need to meet another impatient dumbass. Wow, his wheel got a bloody nose now. Oh yeah, the impatience and some people willing to risk their health for it. Our man had plenty of space to pass and accelerated properly, others behind him... Looks to me like such a pro who doesn't change gear and starts to pass at 1,000 rounds per minute. Doesn't give you the impression of somebody knowing what he's doing, right? But he couldn't care less, and despite Ray already being close to the speed limit, he's killing it. Ah, we got a bunny! Bunny! And another one, and more to come. Who cares? Episode is over now. That was the round number 50, so means for you there's another 49 plus bonus episodes for you to watch. Alright? Good. Then I'm out now. Yo.